since the last time you were here was 2016, you need to brush up with your Filipino words.
2016년에 마지막으로 오셨기 때문에 이제 필리핀 단어들을 분명히 잊으셨을 거라고 생각합니다.
Are you ready?
지금 혹시 그 마음이 있으신가요?
Okay.
I'll teach you.
Okay.
A few words. Okay. So how do you say I love you in Korean?
사랑해요.
사랑해요. With Philippines, it's mahal ko kayo.
mahal ko kayo.
Yes.
mahal kita?
Mahal kita is for one person. But if there's a lot, mahal ko kayo.
mahal ko kayo.
Okay, you do it one more time.
mahal ko kayo.
There you go. Okay. How do you say you are beautiful in Korean?
아름다워. 예쁘다. 아름답다.
In Filipino, you say ang ganda mo.
ang ganda mo.
Oh, that's for one person.
one person. ang ganda mo. ang ganda mo.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you. How do you say thank you?
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Here, salamat po.
salamat po.
Yeah.
salamat po.
Right. And then last one is how do you say see you next time in Korean?
다음에 또 만나요.
So in the Philippines, you say kita-kits ulit.
kita-kits ulit.
There you go. Ulit means it's like again.
ulit. kita-kits ulit.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you say it one more time.
kita-kits ulit.
All right, that's it.